Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your brand sending domain in Klaviyo using GoDaddy. This is an important step to improve your email deliverability and make sure your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes. Let's jump right in. First, log into your Klaviyo account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look toward the bottom left corner and click on your profile icon. This will open a side menu. From there, select Settings, then click on Account, and finally go to Domains. Inside the Domain section, click on Connect Domain. Here, enter your domain name carefully to make sure it's correct, then click Continue. Klaviyo will now generate the DNS records you need, which include SPF, .kim, and DMARC. These records are essential for verifying your domain, so copy them and keep them ready. Next, log into your GoDaddy account. Go to My Products, select your domain, and click on DNS. This opens the DNS settings where you can add new records. Start adding the records from Klaviyo one by one. First, add the SPF record, then the .kim record, and finally the DMARC record. Make sure to copy each value exactly as it appears to avoid any errors. Once all the records are added in GoDaddy, go back to your Klaviyo dashboard and click Verify. If the verification doesn't happen immediately, don't worry. DNS changes can take up to 48 hours to fully propagate. You can come back later and verify again. And that's it. You've successfully connected your brand sending domain in Klaviyo through GoDaddy. Doing this ensures your emails are more trustworthy, improves deliverability, and protects your brand reputation. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and check out our channel for more email marketing tutorials and tips.